These are people waiting outside the grocery store to get into the grocery store to get some food and water and supplies. Unreal. I left the Buccaneer at 12 o'clock. It is currently 1:25 to get from the Buccaneer over here to Plaza East, because traffic is so bad. Pure pandemonium over here. Bumper to bumper, obviously. This is crazy. Looks like they're selling out of gas already. Yep, this place is sold out of gas. Crazy. Once again, this is just the line to get in the grocery store to get some food and supplies and water. Unreal.